record books. They are in the U.S. National Record Books, and they, in fact, are in many, many times. There is a sight to behold. The birthplace of aviation, ladies and gentlemen, Dayton, Ohio, the red, white, and blue, the freedoms that we enjoy, provided to us by veterans who are with us, those who have gone before us, and those serving as we speak in some of the roughest countries in the world. We're looking at high temperatures today over the Middle East in uniform. These are normal temperatures. All right, setting up for the traffic pattern into the wind for a stand-up landing. Look at the size of the American flag in relation to the canopy. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in standing as Elizabeth McCracken presents our national anthem.